Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start a video lecture series of HTML, and in this video lecture series we'll be completing the HTML course. So let's begin. Now what does HTML means? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and now here there will be a confusion that what does the hypertext markup language word means. Now if we see, the hypertext word means like a text which refers to another link. Now here in HTML it means like if there is some text and we click on that text, it will take us, or it will redirect or direct us to any other link, any other page. And the markup language, here the markup language just mean like something which is used to mark up or tell us about the sentence, paragraph, things like what is used. Now we'll see it in the front, what does markup language means. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. Now if you are planning to create any website or a web page of yours, example like any e-commerce website or a blog, so the core language to build any website is HTML. If you want to create any website, you should know HTML. So HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Now what does HTML do? The HTML elements label pieces, or you can say like it uses the markup to label the content of like the paragraph or the heading which you will use in your web pages. We'll see it afterwards and we'll understand more about it. Now like for example, you are seeing here a website image, and now from here we can understand like what does the word markup or label or HTML elements means. Now for example, you are trying to create a website, and like the image which I have used here is about Quora. Now here you can see the text here which is used is in bold letters. Like you can see there is a difference between this text and here. Now this text refers that it is being used as a heading, and now the heading has some properties like it's bold, it's bigger than the rest of the text which is used. So here, the word markup means this thing only, that it is trying to like markups to use something as a markup to refer, like it's using here a heading tag, a heading element, which we will learn about it in the other video lecture series, in the upcoming video lecture series. So here we can see that it has used the heading tag as a markup, and here it has used the normal paragraph tag to as a markup to tell us that this is just a normal paragraph which is being used, and here it has used some sort of a link. Now if we try to understand the architecture of HTML page, we get to see this. The starting of, like if you want to write the HTML code, the starting is this. You have to use this smaller and greater sign, and between that you have to write the element name. Like if we want to begin our HTML coding, so we'll write between these two arrows HTML, and if you want to end it, we'll write HTML these arrows slash HTML. Now inside the HTML we will start to write. Now like here it has used head tag, title, body. Now in this head tag we'll be like, you can say like we'll be focusing on the title of the page, or like what will be the title, like we will see it in the upcoming video lecture series, that what does the title means and what does the head means. Like here I'm just explaining you in a layman term, like, and the body, like what does the website will contain. Like here in the body, this is using a heading tag. The h1 tag means the heading tag. H1 means the first heading tag. Here p, this is a paragraph. It has used this two tags. Now here this tag is known as the opening tag. This is known as the closing tag. Opening, closing, opening and closing tag. Now there are also some tags which does not have any opening or closing tag. It just uses like one sort of a tag. We'll know it about in the another lecture series, but here let us see this opening tag, closing tag. Like we, like if we want to write about the heading, we have used the opening tag h1, then we have wrote this is a heading, then the closing tag. So this is the architecture of HTML page, and now when we will put it in the use, then we'll get to know about it in a much better way. So this was about the HTML lecture series 1, and I hope you have enjoyed and liked this video. I hope you have gained some useful information from it, and I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also ask your friends to subscribe it, and please share it among your friends so that they can also gain knowledge from this. Thank you and have a nice day.